Hi everyone. Today I would like to give you guys a quick update on the Fuzor 2026. So as some of you are new to Fuzor, so I would like to first give an introduction on Fuzor and also our team. Okay, so who started Fuzor? Yeah, Fuzor is started by a guy called Henry. He is truly an innovator. Okay, when others follow, he chose a very difficult path, that is to invent, to solve problems that have never been solved. 12 years ago, he invented something called LiveLink. That means when you make any changes in Revit, it will update real time in our software. It changed how architects so review the designs. So you don't really need to wait a few days to see the changes. So you can see that instantly. And then later on, he realized that there are problems in construction industry. He noticed that while it is, as mentioned by Sebastian, it is very difficult to create those construction punk animation in the traditional 3D offering software. It normally takes a few days. You need to have an animation degree in order to do that. So it invents a Fuzor construction punk library, so in which you just need to spend a few minutes. And then in the latest version, it pushed the limit further, okay, with a couple of the automations. It turned from minutes to seconds. Okay, and then later on, he also noticed that, okay, for 4D sequencing, it is really a time-consuming and tedious process. So the industry needs to repeat the same process again and again. He invents something called Expert AI. Expert AI is a platform for all the digital engineers to develop your own 4D AI assistant to help you to automate the process. Okay, and then last year, he realized that it's not that effective to communicate or to collaborate just using a video. So he invented, okay, the web viewer. That is what we would like to focus today. That's a brand new 4D web viewer that you will be able to see the 4D sequencing, okay, the method statement, okay, the site logistic, and now you can also comments. So we integrate with ACC. So thanks to the support of our fans and also our users, Fuzor has gained popularity exponentially. At the moment, we have over 1 million users in 100 countries. So we have a lot of proven track records in large-scale projects. So when some software they are only capable to handle small to medium-sized projects, so we are able to handle giga projects. So why is that, right? So because Henry leverage his proprietary engine, and then this proprietary technology is very capable to handle giga data. So we have already have a lot of successful case in airport, nuclear plant, tunnel, high-speed railway, roads, sport park, high-rise building, and so on. So today our speakers are from construction company or consultants. So our solution is also trusted by government and also clients. So here is some of the iconic projects worldwide. So Fuzor is capable for all type of projects. Here's a portfolio of our project, starting from high-rise building, sport park, entertainment facility, data center, hospital, and then to infrastructure, airport, high-speed railway, oil and gas. Okay, here are some of our customers. In the industry, normally you require a small team to use different software for different purpose. So we would like to promote a concept that is integrated platform. So when others require multiple software in a small team to do the work, for some of our users, one user take care of all of the project deliverables. They handle multiple projects. Why? Because Fuzor is introducing automation and AI to increase the productivity. So Fuzor is a very good software for 4D simulation that people don't aware of. We have a new standard to handle 4D. Instead of doing that manually, we have the AI to do that. And then we also as a very good software for site logistic planning. Okay, compared to the traditional, maybe just presentation slide, so you can really animate and also simulate the logistic to help you to optimize the site logistic plans. So in the project stage, Fuzor is also a very good software for progress tracking. So you can compare planned versus actual together incorporating the 5D course as well. Okay, and then in the 2026, so we would like to promote the collaborations. So we introduced this web viewer. I'm glad to see that our users has already started the free level plannings. At the moment, maybe most of the company, they are still in maybe just the macro level planning, just a 4D sequencing, link the BIM model to the programs. But Fuzor offer is far more than that. So we offer micro scheduling. That is the example that illustrated by our speakers today. So I think the benefits are very like obvious. That is really to reduce delay and also reduce construction costs. To summarize what Fuzor offers, the first one is automations. So we introduced a 4D AI assistant to automate the 4D sequence. The 4D creation time and also cost can be reduced significantly. Really, you don't really need to link the model manually. So if you can develop a 4D AI assistant, and then our platform is completely free for you to develop this free assistant to help you to do your job much more effectively. The second one is that it's a simulation. It's not visualization. I really like the speaker said, Fuzor is not just a visualization software. It is really a simulation software that can help you to make better decisions. Such as the traffic detour planning, logistic, and also digital rehearsal shared by the speakers. And then I'm also very glad to see that next month partner are able to won giga projects by using Fuzor. The Fuzor is really a software that can help you to demonstrate your construction methodology and also to sell your company and then your construction team using technology advancement. And then we also introduce a new standard for collaboration. That is the 4D web viewer that I'm going to introduce today. And then safety training is also the number one priority. So you can also use Fuzor to enhance the safety. So in the Fuzor 2026 R2, we received feedback that people would like to review it. What's the next step? Next step that we would like to have a comments capability so that they can share their feedback with others. And we know that many of the customers are using ACC, therefore we integrate with this one. So how does it work, right? Let me just so go to Fuzor, and then you can publish your project to the cloud, and then to generate a link. No setup, no installation. You can simply just copy and paste the link to the browser. Then you will be able to access the digital construction planning data. It is no longer limited to a small group of the digital construction team. So other method statement planner and the other engineers, they can also contribute and also engage in the process by having access to the project planning data other than just a video. And then for this one, you will be able to see the 4D sequencing. Therefore, the planner, they can also see that because for our schedule, there's a Gantt chart there. You can see the dependency among tasks. For the method engineer, if they want to review the method, they can also use our web viewer to view it. So maybe just 1 minute, then you can see the project live on the browser. So let me maybe share with you the key updates in the 2026 R2. That is the comment capabilities. So for example, maybe if you would like to create a comment for this ones, so you can come here and then log in your Autodesk Construction Cloud, and then you can select the project that you would like to add the comment to. So maybe in the design coordination stage, you have already been using the ACC to log all the issues. In the construction stage, you don't really have any web viewer that allows you to see the 4D sequencing and also the methods. So you can simply just click on the object, then you can create an issue here. Then you can type and then you can set that. So like this. This user interface is very similar to the ACC, and then you can click create, and then the issue will be created. And then after that, so you can go back to the Autodesk Construction Cloud. So you can go to the build or doc under the issue tab. Then you'll be able to see the issue live here. Like this. This is really a seamless platform, and then you can also have a centralized platform to check the issue in the design stage and also construction stage. And then if you want to use this capability, then you can install in ACC. There is a Fuzor app there called Fuzor Web Viewer. You have to install this web first before you can use it. Yeah, so I think this is one of the big enhancement to really log the comments from their team members. So at the moment, our users in Netherlands, such as Hyman, they have been using this extensively. Like 80 of their project team are using this web viewer. And then another good news is that if you care about price, this is good news for you because this web viewer is free. So it is for unlimited people to view that for free. And then for every license, it also comes with a free link. Okay, so what else? Okay, sometimes your construction work need to be construct at the night time. Okay, so we also introduce another mode. Okay, that is the night mode. So yeah, if some of the activities are at night time, then you can toggle this button, to show that. Okay, so Fuzor has been getting more and more popular in Europe, and then in Europe, they require a calendar week. Therefore, in this 2026 R2, so we introduce a setting, that is to show the calendar week, like that here. So this is also a game changes. So how you can access the project data, and then it really increase the accessibility, and then it turn the VDC to the next level, and then it allow more people to really contribute to the whole process, rather than just a small group of people with powerful computer. Yeah. Okay, so for existing users, if you guys are interested to learn, how to use this integration with ACC, on our YouTube channel, we have already published a tutorial videos that you can refer to the tutorial video for the actual workflow. So last but not least, I would like to share with you.
Hi everyone.
So I would like to share with you guys, a video produced by Fuzor so that you can see what the PC capability of Fuzor.